YouTube channel. On today's video, we are going to be talking about how to set goals. What are goals? Goals are desired outcome in which an individual or an organization strives to achieve within a given time frame. That is the definition of goal. So I'm going to be giving you tips on how to set goals. I should probably have done this video earlier January so that for a new year goal achievement, but it's never too late. So I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to set goals. So the first point is going to be realistic. When setting goals, it's best to always be in a cool mind, not being hyper or low. We just have to be in a cool mind. So we have to be realistic, not when you are very motivated. Maybe you just finish watching a motivational video, then you just say, okay, I'm going to set this kind of goal. So at that point, if you are setting goals, you are just going to be unrealistic. Just try to achieve something crazy, which does not how to set goals. So the first point is we are going to be realistic. And point number 2, we are going to write it down. Whenever you are setting goals, you don't just sit down and just think about it. You have to write everything down. You have to write your goals down. And point number 3 is break your goals down. Break it into a smaller model. This will help because if you can break your goals into smaller parts, you can, maybe you have a goal to achieve 1 million by the end of this year. You can break it down. Okay, by so week I should have achieved this part, I should have achieved this, I should have achieved this, and by this now. So when setting goals, you have to break it down into smaller pieces so that it's easier to, those smaller pieces you can call a milestone, so that it's easier to achieve them one by one. So point number 4, that's going to be always reflect. When you're setting goals, you should have times you reflect. If you are setting a yearly goal, you should have time you reflect. Maybe on a weekly basis, you reflect on how far you have gone. You have to always reflect. And point number 5, that's celebrate every achievement. When you're setting goals and every achievement you have made, you have to celebrate it. You have to give yourself credit, not take it light. It's not easy. You have to always celebrate each progress you have made. So that's on today's video. Stay tuned for the next.